Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share Google Slides with someone. If you need to share your Google Slides with a teacher, classmate, or coworker, in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how you can share Google Slides the right way. So first, you just need to head to this page, slides.google.com, and you'll see this Google Slides page. Make sure you already sign in into the correct Google account. And after that, you can just open the slides that you want to share. For example, I'm going to share this slides right here. And then once the slide is open, you can just click on the share button. In the top right corner in here, you can click on this share options and you'll see the sharing window pop up like this. Now you can type in someone's email directly to send it to them. So for example, this one, and here you can just choose to notify them or not, and choose their role as editor, commenter, or viewer. After that, you can just tap on share or send, and just like that, the Google Slides will be opened. And that's it. You have now shared your slides to someone like a tech pro. So if this helped, you can hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want a guide on making your slides interactive next. And also don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye!